Shruti.
Vishnu Rupa.
Vishnu Rupa.
So we are beginning the march, and again, one of our main demands is accountability and the resignation of Hemant. So how are you seeing this, and how are you seeing the turnout?
Yeah, it's a bright day and one of the, I would say, a milestone in Indian democracy. Because people have risen, people have spoken, and the message is clear that they are no longer going to be ignored. And the politics cannot be over melody or jhalmudi. The politics have to be about people's issues.
Yes. So you have said that politics is about people's issues, and today is the first session of the monsoon session of Parliament. So we all want that this issue is taken up in the Parliament. So is that one of your demands?
Yeah, the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan is kind of the key to a lock that will open up a box of educational reforms. Because that person, he has been responsible for so many paper leaks, and if it continues, then papers will continue to leak. And another factor is, of course, accountability, which is must to any democracy. So we wish that a qualified person be brought in his place, and then he or she must introduce systemic reforms so that there are no paper leaks at all.
Finally, sir, what are your expectations from the march? Because we are hearing that it is going to start soon.
The march is wonderful. The people, as you can see, they are overjoyed. They are full of vigor and enthusiasm. And this enthusiasm springs from the patriotic sentiment throbbing in their hearts. And they are very eager that their demands be heard by the parliamentarians. So they are moving. The police had said that it is a sensitive zone, the area near the parliament. But I am saying, what about being a little sensitive to the needs of the public?
Thank you. So the march is about to begin.
Yes.
What are your expectations from the march? And there are, I'm assuming thousands and thousands of people gathered.
Yes. Well, so many people have waited. They have been coming to the protest side for the last 1 month. And so many people have come today as well. So, we are hoping for a peaceful protest and a peaceful march as well. We know that the police has already imposed Section 163 of BNSS, and they would want to curb it, but the aim will be to keep it peaceful. That is what we are hoping for.
As of now, it has been a very peaceful protest here at Jantar
Correct.
Mandir, and we are seeing that opposition MPs are also coming. So, what do you think are the demands of the people? Given that Ayub Hamid Khan must resign, there should be accountability. What do you think of that?
See, the demands are very simple because in the last 10 years, more than 70 papers have leaked. And who will be responsible for it if not the education minister? It's a very simple ask. And the buck has to stop at a ministerial level because a cabinet minister is answerable both to the parliament and to the people. So, if the cabinet minister is not answerable either to the parliament or to the people, then we are not in a functioning democracy then. So, if in other democracies, even a prime minister can resign on their government not doing properly, then I think we have a clear-cut case. They have accepted themselves by every time that they will do a retest.
This protest democracy is reviving, and we are seeing people rising.
Yes, see, peaceful protest or any peaceful assembly is actually a part of Article 19. It is a fundamental right. People are exercising their fundamental right, and that is what was promised to us when we became a democracy. So, people are exercising that fundamental right today by coming to this protest site. So, that is what we are witnessing in thousands now.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Abhishek. I'm a law student. Thank you.
हमारी बहनें आपके बीच में है।
गद्दी छोड़ो छात्र एकता जिंदाबाद 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 जय 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 भीम जय भीम जय भीम जय 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 भीम जय भीम
So you're participating in the march today, the iconic march where thousands have gathered. Why are you participating and what are your demands?
So basically, I'm not related to anything NEET, but I have a nephew. He is 7 years old. He had a birthday last day only, and I'm concerned about his future. I hadn't joined CJP protests at all from past few days, but today I had to. I had to come for his future, I believe. I was in dilemma in the past few days, but yeah, that was a decision I had to make, and I have friends who supports me, so that's why I'm here today. Of course, we need better future for this country, and youngsters are the one who make it happen. So that's why I'm here.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, this is Shubham. Yeah, I professionally am a designer. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, so you participating in the protest today. What what made you join the protest today?
I wanted to join the protest because my sister, my cousin had given the NEET exam 2 years before, and that year also the paper was leaked, and she had she was into a lot of trouble, and because at the time of the exam and when she matched all the answers, then everything was because she was expecting the cutoff will go as every year it was going. बट क्योंकि नीट का जब पेपर होता है देन तो और जब लीक होता है तो बहुत सारी सीटें ऐसे ही चली जाती है, तो उसे बहुत ज़्यादा वो और उसके फ्रेंड्स बहुत ज़्यादा एक तरह से मतलब they were on the verge of going into depression. But then मतलब she got the college but her friend didn't got the college. तो मतलब मेरा यही कहना है कि अगर एजुकेशन सिस्टम बेटर होना चाहिए, और अगर ये हमारा पहला स्टेप हो सकता है कि अगर हम कुछ प्रोटेस्ट में पार्ट ले रहे हैं तो इट कुड बी द फर्स्ट स्टेप कि हम कुछ बेटर एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं.